Here the question number 2 is to construct a quadrilateral when its sides AB, BC, CD, the three sides are given, and the two angles, angle ABC and angle BCD equals to 90 degree given. Now we have to draw the rough sketch at first. So whenever we will be drawing the rough sketch, we have to consider the angles at first. Here angle B is equals to given 90 degree and angle C is equals to given 90 degree. So we will draw 90 degree here and another 90 degree here. Because angle B is given 90 degree, ABC, and angle C is also 90 degree. So what's the measure of BC is given, that is also given required, because on the base only we are going to draw these angles. So BC is 4 centimeter. So this side is 4 centimeter and angle B is 90 degree and angle, so ABC 90 degree we got and BCD also 90 degree we got. Now AB is 6 centimeter and CD is 4 centimeter. So CD is smaller, 4 centimeter, and AB is 6 centimeter, so it will be quite longer A here. So it's 6 centimeter, and then finally we have to join AD. So this is the rough sketch. Now we will draw the actual construction. For that we will take 4 centimeter base at first. This is 4 centimeter. The construction has to be done with the pencil, but here for clarity it's constructed with the pen. So this is the point B and this is the point C. We have to follow this rough sketch, and this is 4 centimeter. Now we will be drawing 90 degree at B and C. You always have to use your right hands. So we got this B is 90 degree. Now from C also 90 degree has to be drawn. And here now we will join it with a straight line. Now CD is given 4 centimeter. So we have already drawn 4 centimeter. So this is the 4 centimeter compass we have set, and it is coming here. So since it is not intersecting the 90 degree line, so we have to extend it, and this is the point D, and we should extend it here also because 6 centimeter is quite a long line. Now we will measure 6 centimeter. So put the needle of the compass at B and intersect here. So we got the point A. Now we have to join the point A and D. This is the required quadrilateral. And we should write the measures which was given. This was 90 degree. This was 90 degree. This CD is 4 centimeter. And this AB is also 4 centimeter.